Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Naughty Threads. In case you are new here on my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. Today's video is a very interesting and a very easy design. I am using a piece of lace to work this design. You guys can directly work it on the sari. So I'm using my regular crochet hook number 10. Along with that, I am using 6 strands of silk thread. This design can be worked in Kamal Kadai thread as well. So I have fixed the knot on the wrong side and I have worked 6 chains, after which I will be working 6 double crochets, and all 6 double crochets have to be worked in the same hole. So it's a very interesting design, so watch the video till the end and you know what to do once you try this design yourself. Do comment below, or I would love to see the pictures of your work. So to share that, you will have to join our group called the Crochet Club by Naughty Threads on Facebook. I'm so happy to announce that we are a group of 10k members, that is 10,000 members. Thank you so much for being a part of this lovely group. It's so nice to see all the work of everybody. So it makes me so happy to see all that. So do join the group and start sharing your crochet related work in the group. So after working 6 double crochets in the same place, we will work a single crochet. So in case if you are using more number of strands, you can use needle number 9 or 8. If you are using 6 strands of silk thread, then needle number 10 would be a perfect choice. So I have finished working my 6 double crochets, so I'm just going to check where it is reaching, and from there I will start working my single crochets. So I will work 5 single crochets, one next to the other. So this itself will be considered as the baseline. So once we finish the baseline, it is your choice. If you want, you can continue the second step in the same color, or you can change the color like I am doing. Another important point to remember is while working this first step, we will have to make sure the right side of the fabric is facing towards us, and once we finish the first step, we will trim this first color, and the second color also we will work in the same direction. So after 5 single crochets, I am continuing with 6 chains and 6 double crochets, all 6 double crochets in the same place again. So this looks like a slant arch, and in the second step, once I change the color, I'm going to add some beads and picots. So that is the main highlight of this design. So if you want the same tutorial in Kannada, then you will have to subscribe to my other channel, which is Naughty Threads Kannada, where only Kannada explanation is given. So if you guys are more comfortable with Kannada, then please do subscribe to the other channel. So this base will continue the same way. These kind of designs are apt for Mysore silk saris because the design looks very elegant, and it goes well with soft silk saris as well. So do give it a try. So once I am done with this step, I'm going to trim this color and I will start the second step in the next color. So just make a knot so that the thread is in place, and I'm going to start the second color, and before I knotted it, I have added some 3mm gold beads into the second color. So I'm using again the 6 strands, and after fixing the knot, I will start working single crochets. About 8 to 10 single crochets is what you can work in this 6 chain gap. Make sure the single crochets are as close as possible, because that itself forms that arch. So once you have enough single crochets, we'll work our first single crochet on the first double crochet. And then we will start adding the bead. So this part is the highlight of the design. The way we add bead in this design looks actually very pretty. So I am sliding the bead and then I am starting to work a double crochet. So when I pull the loop and come out, the bead actually is at the back. So I'll have to go ahead and push it like this to the front, or bring it towards you, and then finish your double crochet. And then I'll work 3 chains to make a picot stitch. So this is optional. If you want, you can do a picot, or you can simply continue work adding beads in this way. But picot actually adds a lot of trendy look to any design. So if you guys are following me for a long time now, you guys would know picot stitch is my favorite stitch, and I try to add picots in as many places as possible. So again, I'm working my second double crochet in the exact same way. After sliding the bead, I finished my double crochet and then 3 chains for a picot stitch. So same way we will continue on every double crochet. So every time you will slide a bead and do or work a double crochet. If you are trying this method for the first time, you might feel it a little tricky, but it's not at all tricky if you understand the logic. So I'm going to continue the same thing till the end. So this particular design, I didn't want to add any tassels because I wanted a little trendy look on a little modern kind of sarees. So that is the reason I did not want to add any silk thread bunch. But if you want, there is always an option. You can make room for the tassel and add. Now I'm going to skip the first 2 double crochets and I will work single crochets from the 3rd stitch, and then continue working 8 to 10 single crochets in the 6 chain gap. So we have worked 5 single crochets. I have skipped 2 single crochets and I have started working single on single from the 3rd stitch. So once done, this is how the arch will look. And because we have worked single crochets in that 6 chain loop, it forms like a thick rib and gives a very nice and elegant look. So once done, just knot all the threads together, trim off the excess and glue it at the wrong side so that nothing is visible. So this is the final look. So I hope you guys like this video. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you have any requests also, do leave them in the comments below. If you guys are not following us on Facebook, do follow Knotty Threads on Facebook. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.